The world of IT is ever-changing, the actual world in which we live in, providing new, more advantageous ways to perform tasks. In this 5-minute video presentation today, I'll be discussing how two currently, or possibly even futuristic trends in IT impact two significantly different domains. Hopefully, by the end of this presentation, you'll have a better understanding of how IT is going to change the world in the years to come. The first trend and domain I'll talk to you about today is virtual reality and how it's going to affect gaming. Firstly though, what exactly is virtual reality? According to Google Dictionary, virtual reality is a computer-generated simulation of a three-dimensional image or environment that can be interacted within seemingly real or physical way by a person using special electronic equipment, such as a helmet with a screen inside or gloves fitted with sensors. So what does this all mean for the gaming industry? The obvious impact is on the gaming experience. Currently, we simulate being characters in a game through the use of a controller, telling them when to move, when to jump, when to shoot, all through the use of pressing buttons. This style of gameplay is very distinct, where only a certain amount of immersion between the game and player can actually occur. Currently, Nintendo Wii has blended real-world activity into a game particularly well through the use of human movement, but the player is still confined to the living room. Virtual reality will create an exponentially more immersed gameplay experience for the user, because they wouldn't be telling the character what to do, but instead would be the character themselves. This could benefit the gaming industry tremendously. However, at the same time, I think virtual reality will also have an extremely negative impact on the industry. I say this because virtual reality will not only be confined to gaming. The Institution of Engineering and Technology says the far bigger and more important application for VR comes from its uses in converging the real world and virtual worlds. I think the line between gaming and simply living in a virtual world will become blurred to the extent that they are no longer distinguishable. However, for the production of virtual games, I believe that we'll start seeing a lot more unusual double degrees, such as IT and psychology. I think this because for a virtual world to be created and for it to seem authentic, you're going to have knowledge from both of these fields. Moving on to the second trend and domain, intelligent transport systems and how it's going to affect transportation industry. The term intelligent transport systems, or ITS, refers to a range of technologies including processing, control, communication and electronics, which are applied to a transportation system, improving safety and efficiency of the network on which the vehicle uses. I believe that ITS will become crucial to humans because as city population density increases, traffic will become more and more congested, leading to crashes that will not only make the road congestion worse, but will increase the risk of death for drivers. We can already see a positive impact on traffic congestion with the e-toll of the Gateway Bridge in Brisbane. This is a very simple example of ITS. However, the obvious advantage ITS will provide everyday drivers like you or me is safety. Currently, the wireless technology isn't advanced enough, but when it is, cars will probably be able to 100% drive themselves through the use of wireless communication to one another. This would greatly decrease the risk of drivers out one behind the wheel, or possibly just sitting in the seat in the future. However, ITS would also create more efficient cars, resulting in less air pollution being produced from the transportation industry. Unfortunately though, once ITS becomes smart enough, we might see many jobs such as taxi drivers and truck drivers disappear, as the technology would be a more efficient way to do their job. However, I do believe that the copious amounts of benefits ITS provides us do outweigh the few negatives. In conclusion, I hope that this video presentation has informed you about how virtual reality will affect the gaming industry, and how intelligent transportation systems will hopefully make driving a much safer experience. Goodbye.